Hi, my name is Will Hendrikson. I do order entry here at Stellar Industries in the customer service department, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about how to get replacement parts for your Stellar equipment. One of the best ways is to go to stellarindustries.com to our distributor search, type in your zip code, and you can find a local distributor. Otherwise, if you are a Stellar distributor or you have an account already set up with Stellar Industries, you can send your purchase orders or price and availability inquiries to parts or parts@stellarindustries.com. On your purchase orders, please include your Stellar account number, your purchase order number, the ship to address you'd like us to send the parts to, and the shipping method you would like us to use. If you have a machine down situation or you need parts expedited, please clearly mark that on the purchase order and we'll do our best to get the parts to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching another Tech Tip Thursday and have a great day.